Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the new chapter, that is securities for advances. Okay, so in this chapter you all are going to learn what do you mean by introduction, then principles of secured advances, precautions for advances against securities, that is document of title to goods, real estate, fixed deposit receipt, gold and silver bullions, supply bills, life insurance policy, shares, agricultural produce. Okay, so these are the topics that you are going to learn in this chapter. Now, as we all know, lending is the main function of the bank. Okay, it is the primary function of the bank. There are two primary functions of the bank. That is, first one is accepting deposit and lending loans. Okay, now to perform this function, that is lending function, if a bank want to perform, then their resources have to be raised. Okay, you can have a casual look at the balance sheet of the bank. Okay, what you will realize that there are many large part of resources that are raised by the bank comprise of deposit liabilities. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, बहुत सारे deposit रहेंगे liabilities में. Okay, now since bank क्या करते हैं, they accept deposit from the public on the conditions that they will repay it on the demand. मतलब जब कस्टमर डिमांड करेगा जो भी डिपॉजिट किया है उनको उसको फिर से रिटर्न करना है. ओके, और ऑन द मेच्योरिटी डेट, इफ इट इज़ अ फिक्स डिपॉजिट देन दे विल रिटर्न इट ऑन द मेच्योरिटी डेट और द ड्यू डेट विच एवर. ओके, द बैंक हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल वाइल डिप्लॉइंग दिस फंड. ओके, जो फंड है बैंक ऐसे ही बैंक के लॉकर्स में नहीं रखते. जो हम लोग सेव करते हैं, दे वोंट कीप इट इन देयर लॉकर. व्हाट दे विल डू, दे विल इन्वेस्ट इन द मार्केट. ओके, एंड ऐसे मार्केट में वो लोग इन्वेस्ट करेंगे जो जिनसे उनको इजीली एनकैश कर सके. ओके, मतलब अगर किसी कस्टमर ने 1,00,000 डिपॉजिट किया, सपोज इफ दे डिपॉजिट 1 मंथ बैक, उन्होंने 1,00,000 डिपॉजिट किया. Okay, and now after 1 month that customer demand क्या करता है कि I wanted 1,00,000 for my use. Okay, तो बैंक should be in that condition कि वो लोग उनको return कर सके. Okay, so this should be the funda of the commercial bank. So it should be very careful while deploying this fund. So it is necessary to note that even time deposit can be withdrawn before maturity. Okay, on certain conditions regarding the interest payable. Okay, so latest available statistics of India that shows that 62% of the total commercial deposits are time deposit. Okay, but in view of the fact that time deposit can also be withdrawn if it is impressive for the bank to use this deposit fund judicially. Okay, the principle of safety of fund therefore lies uppermost in the banker's mind while giving loans and advances. Okay, तो उनको बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कि वो लोग जो फंड्स है उनके, वो कहाँ पे वो लोग डाल रहे हैं. Okay, so that is very important. So the first question that may come for the exam is, I'll explain you what precautions the banker has to take while advancing against agricultural produce. Okay, so instead of providing loans to the farmers on the security of agricultural land, other immobile property, the loan given on the security of the crops that are to be produced are called crop insurance scheme. Okay, जो crop वो loan देते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं, crop insurance. That is ऑन एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोड्यूस, मतलब अगर एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड के ऊपर अगर बिजनेस कोई लोन देता है, ओके, विच इज़ इमोबाइल, दैट प्रॉपर्टी कैन नॉट बी मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. ओके, एंड द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ क्रॉप्स दैट आर प्रोड्यूस. ओके, वट एवर सिक्योरिटी जो है, इट इज़ द क्रॉप्स दैट आर प्रोड्यूस, then that is known as crop insurance scheme. So no separate security is required for this. Okay, the agricultural produce is including paddy, wheat, sugarcane, groundnuts, etc., plus cotton, jute, coir, oilseeds, etc. Okay, so these are some of the loan that is given these are some of the produce. Okay, agricultural produce जिनके ऊपर लोन दिया जाता है. Okay, so there are some precautions a banker has to take. Okay, in case he is advancing loans against agricultural produce. That is, honesty of the borrower. Okay, the honesty and trustworthiness जो है borrower का, okay, should be examined so that they remove the possible fraud. Okay, so जो भी borrower मतलब जो पैसे लेता है, लोन अमाउंट लेता है, that person should be very honest person. Okay, marketability of the produce. Now the banker should see that goods that are pledged have a steady market. Okay, goods with less elastic demand are better for giving advances against them. Okay, so banker ने क्या करना चाहिए, it should see that the banker जो goods है that is pledged have a steady market, मतलब उसको फ्यूचर में भी कोई भी प्रोड्यूस है उसको एटलीस्ट सपोज इफ इट इज एग्रीकल्चरल देन इट विल टेक एटलीस्ट 6 to 7 months. सो 6 to 7 months के बाद उसका प्रोड्यूस का कितना अमाउंट होगा, सो दैट दे शुड कीप इन माइंड. Okay, then conditions of storage. Okay, so goods should be stored in godowns of the good conditions. Okay, which are free from dampness and the area is a safe place. Okay, that precaution banker has to take. Then manner of storage. Now जो goods to be stored in such a way that the verification of the quantities and qualities can be facilitated. Okay, different lots of different qualities should be made. So this precaution has to be taken. Next is knowledge of market prices. Okay, now banker को he should be having a proper and up to date knowledge of the market prices for valuation of goods. Okay, so original invoices or copies therefore should be obtained by the banker and the invoice value or the market value should be based for valuation. Okay, ये ध्यान में रखना है कि जो प्राइस आगे के फ्यूचर के जो प्राइस होंगे what will be the price and जो लोन अमाउंट दिया है उनके ऊपर उनको कुछ प्रॉफिट होगा या नहीं, ये भी ध्यान में रखना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज डैमेज स्टॉक. Banker should not accept old, damaged or rejected stock. They should be fresh and easily available stock. That उस stock पे उन्होंने क्या करना चाहिए, लोन देना चाहिए. They should not give loan amount on old and damaged or rejected stock. Next is conditions for taking delivery. Banker को always they has to see that delivery of the goods therefore sanctioned in the loan and the goods should be transferred to the godown of the bank or the banker can take the keys of the godown from the borrower. Okay, ये ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि जो क्योंकि they are giving loans on the agricultural produce. Okay, तो agricultural जो produce है it is going to go down or not. Okay, उसकी डिलीवरी सही तरह से हो रही या नहीं, ये ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. ओके, सो व्हाट ही इज टू डू, ही हैज़ टू ट्रांसफ़र द गुड्स टू द बैंक का गोडाउन है वहाँ पे ट्रांसफ़र करना चाहिए, नहीं तो ही शुड कीप द कीज आफ्टर टेकिंग द प्रॉपर वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ द गुड्स. Next is time for signing contract. Okay, the contract should be signed at the time of accepting security. जब security accept करते हैं तभी उनको वो contract sign करना चाहिए. Next is matching with invoices. ना बैंकर ने क्या करना चाहिए, ही शुड वेरीफाई वेदर गुड्स जो है ओके गुड्स टैली विद द रिस्पेक्टिव इनवाइसेज एंड वेदर दे आर इन ऑर्डर इन केस ऑफ क्वांटिटी एंड क्वालिटी और नॉट. ओके, दोनों टैली हो रहे या नहीं ये भी ध्यान में रखना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज इंश्योरेंस. इंश्योरेंस जो है गुड्स का विद द बैंक मस्ट बी मेड अगेंस्ट द रिस्क ऑफ फायर, रियॉट्स एक्सेट्रा. ओके, ये दैट इंश्योरेंस शुड बी टेकन while giving the loan. नेक्स्ट इज एडिक्वेट मार्जिन. नाउ जब वो लोग गुड्स देते हैं इन स्पाइट ऑफ केयरफुल वैल्यूएशन ऑफ द रिस्क और ऑफ लॉस ड्यू टू द प्राइस फ्लक्चुएशन कैन नॉट बी रूल्ड आउट. ओके, क्या होगा फ्यूचर, इट कैन नॉट बी रूल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द प्राइस फ्लक्चुएशन. सो उस जो प्राइस फ्लक्चुएशन को ध्यान में रख के दे हैव टू कीप द मार्जिन. ओके, सो जो मार्जिन फिक्स करते हैं बैंकर शुड कीप इन माइंड दैट देयर विल बी प्राइस फ्लक्चुएशन. सो उसको ध्यान में रख के दे हैव टू कैलकुलेट द मार्जिन. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द प्रिकॉशंस दैट द बैंकर हैज़ टू टेक while advancing loans to the agricultural produce. That is, first one is honesty of the borrower, marketability of the product, conditions of storage, manner of storage, knowledge of market prices, damaged stock, conditions for taking delivery, time for signing contracts, matching with invoices, insurance, and adequate margin. So these are some of the points that a banker has to take into consideration while granting loans to the agricultural produce. Okay, so these points they have to take in mind. Okay, they have to keep it in mind. Now the second question is, write a note on advances against bank's own fund fixed deposit receipts. Okay, so here this is the new scheme which has been gaining a lot of popularity in recent time. Okay, that is बैंक provides a facility of advances against fixed deposit. अभी के ज़माने में बहुत ज़्यादा ये यूज़ होता है. So whatever FD you have, on that FD bank will provide you loan. Okay, this is a recent trend which is going in the banking business. Okay, so here receipt of the opening of deposit account. Okay, so if you open a deposit account and if you keep some amount in your FD, bank will give you loan. Okay, so it is a scheme like other schemes such as your own money, unfixed deposit, cash key, and other brand names adopted by the bank. Okay, even otherwise banks freely advance their customers loans against FD. Okay, FD के against बहुत सारा loan मिलता है. So here it is this is because it helps the banks to retain its own deposit and at the same time provide a measure of liquidity to tide over the immediate needs of their customers. Okay, since the fixed deposit is issued by the same bank, it forms a good security as the issuing bank can earmark in the line of it against. Okay, so as per the RBI directives, okay, the amount of advances cannot exceed 75% of the face value of the receipt plus accrued interest. Okay, bank charge interest at 2% more than the rate of interest applicable to the fixed deposit. ओके, बैंक क्या करेगा, इट विल सपोज एफडी का अमाउंट है 7%, बैंक विल चार्ज 9%, 2% मोर इफ दे ग्रांट लोन अगेंस्ट एफडी. ओके, बैंक चार्जेस interest that is 2% more than the rate of interest applicable to the fixed deposit. So in case of borrowing by the company, the rate of interest chargeable would be the rate applicable to their borrowers account from the bank. Okay, फर्स्ट वन इज सेफ गार्ड. ओके, उन्होंने क्या करना चाहिए, इफ़ दे आर गिविंग लोन्स और एडवांसेस अगेंस्ट देयर ओन डिपॉजिट, द बैंक मस्ट ऑब्जर्व द फॉलोइंग सेफ गार्ड, दैट इज डिस्चार्ज कंडीशन. पहले क्या करना है, दे हैव टू सी वन इज द डिस्चार्ज ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर एफडी प्रोडक्ट. ओके, दैट इज एफडी डिपॉजिट रिसिप्ट शुड बी टेकन एज अ सिक्योरिटी आफ्टर गेटिंग इट ड्यूली डिस्चार्ज बाय द पार्टी ओवर अ रेवेन्यू स्टैम्प. ओके, दिस यहाँ पे क्या होगा, जब एफडी के ऊपर लोन देते हैं तो उन्होंने पहला वो एफडी का जो रिसिप्ट है दैट दे हैज़ टू टेक एज अ सिक्योरिटी फॉर द लोन गिवन. ओके, so this helps the banker to adjust a loan out of the proceeds of the fixed deposit on maturity or on default. The discharge is undated. Okay, second is procedure for special deposit. So in case of special deposit like unfixed deposit, cash key, etc., the bank should follow the same procedure and obtain necessary documents for creating a overdraft the customer desire to draw against his deposit. Okay, similarly fixed deposit are also accepted as a security for the credit card issued by the bank. अगर FD आपके पास FD है तो क्रेडिट कार्ड जब इशू करते हैं तो वो FD क्या करते हैं, दे एक्सेप्ट एज अ सिक्योरिटी. ओके, क्योंकि अगर क्रेडिट कार्ड के ऊपर ज़्यादा बिल किया देन बैंक हैज़ टू गो इनटू लॉसेस इफ दे डोंट हैव एनी सिक्योरिटी. ओके, सो दैट थिंग इज टेकन इनटू कंसिडरेशन दैट इफ दे इशू credit card then they will keep FD as an security. Next is right of set off. Now banks generally what they do, they get a better right of set off from the customers to enable them to adjust their proceeds towards the loan. Okay, next is signature of partner. So in case of the loan to a partnership firm, the discharge and also document should be signed by all the partners, okay, to prevent partners from repudiating his liability on the later date. Okay, so it should be very clear if it is an partnership firm, तो उनको सारे details और सारे partners के signatures लेने चाहिए. Second is board resolution. So in case of finance companies, a board resolution is also necessary or authorize the borrowing. Okay, next is precautions against duplication. So generally advance against fixed deposit receipts of other bank is not guaranteed, okay, but where the fixed deposit is issued by the branch of the same bank, the lending branch should ensure that the line is the issue against the receipt at the issuing bank branch to obviate the possibility of customers obtaining a duplicate against the indemnity and encashing it. Okay, next is deposit in the name of the minors. So here if it is a minor, then no advances should be granted against the fixed deposit issued in the name of the minor, since minor is incompetent to the contract. Okay, minors को कभी लोन नहीं देनी चाहिए. Next is limits for NRIs. Okay, there are some limits if that person is an NRI. So in case of loan granted to a non-resident Indian against FDR, that is fixed deposit receipts, then the repayment of the loan should be the way for the remittances from the abroad or by adjustment to the proceeds of the FDR. So maximum amount of loan cannot exceed 10 lakhs. So there is a limit for that. Okay, for any individual. No cash should be accepted by way of repayment for the domestic source. Okay, so in all cases suitable repayment term should be stipulated so that loan is liquidated within the maturity period of FDR. Okay, so in case of either or survivor joint account, a letter from both the joint account holders should be obtained. Second is document to be obtained that are demand promissory note, delivery letter, either or survival letter, discharge FDR, security delivery letter, letter of set off and appropriation, application for loan. So these are the documents that should be taken if they want to give loan against the FD. So in this if they are giving loans against the FD, so what precautions bank has to take? So bank को क्या precautions लेने हैं? So that is discharge conditions they have to see, procedure for special deposit, right of set off, signature of partners, board resolutions, precautions against duplication, deposit in the name of minor, limits of NRI. Okay, and the documents to be obtained are demand promissory note, delivery letter, either or survivor letter, discharged FDR, letter of set off and appropriation, application for loan. Okay, so these are the documents that is necessary if the person want to take the loan on the FD. Okay, so here these 2 points we have learned, that if the bank is taking giving loan against agricultural produce, precautions क्या क्या है? Honesty of the borrower, markability of the product, conditions of storage, manner of storage, knowledge of market prices, damaged stock, conditions for taking delivery, time for signing contract, then matching with the invoices, इंश्योरेंस एंड एडिक्वेट मार्जिन. ओके, तो दिस इज हाउ. फर्स्ट क्या लिखोगे आप लोग? इंट्रोडक्शन लिखोगे कि किसके बारे में पूछा है, देन प्रिकॉशंस यू विल राइट. अगर वो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन क्या था? राइट अ नोट एंड एडवांसेस अगेन FD, बैंक्स ओन FD रिसिप्ट. देन फर्स्ट यू विल राइट इंट्रोडक्शन, अ स्मॉल इंट्रोडक्शन यू हैव टू गिव, एंड देन सेफ गार्ड, जो प्रिकॉशंस लेने हैं वो आप लोग लिखोगे, एंड लास्ट में आप लोग डॉक्यूमेंट कौन से हैं दैट यू विल राइट. ओके, सो दीज आर द पॉइंट्स दैट यू विल लर्न इन, यू हैव लर्न इन टुडेज क्लास. इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास हम लोग देखेंगे कि सिक्योरिटी सिक्योरिटी जो है अगर लोन देना है तो सिक्योरिटीज़ किसके किसके ऊपर लेते हैं एंड क्या क्या प्रिकॉशंस लेने हैं, डैट यू विल लर्न इन नेक्स्ट क्लास.